Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off Spendee notifications. All right, so first off, go ahead and close the app or force close the app. And once done, if you're using Android, just locate the app icon right here. Tap and hold. Now tap on the information icon. Now go ahead and go to the notification section, tap on it, and just tap on the slider to turn it off. Okay. And once that's done, tap on back, and you're good to go. Now, if you're using iOS, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the settings app. Okay. On your iOS, tap on it and find Spendee. Once you've found it, tap on it and just tap on notifications and just turn it off. All right. That is it. That works on any other applications as well. That is how you turn off notifications in Spendee. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.